Hi, I'm Alan McGrady and I'm the Operations Supervisor here at Green Ridge Recreation Center.
I'm Taisha Harris. I'm the Custodial Coordinator for Green Ridge Recreation Center.
My name is Jill and I'm the Wellness Coordinator here at Green Ridge Recreation Center.
I think what makes Green Ridge different is our attitude about cleaning. We carry ourselves at a very high bar when it comes to maintenance and cleaning at the facility. We work very hard and are very diligent, and this is all the staff. This is not just custodial staff. We take great pride in Green Ridge.
Any way that we can make the recreation center, safe and as clean as possible, that's what we want to do. That's what we're here for, just to make everyone feel comfortable, to know that we are doing our job and keeping the place disinfected, well every 2 hours, and so there's really nothing that you need to worry about.
We've instituted a lot of cleaning procedures that we previously had not done prior to COVID. We've put distance between the classes. We've also marked the studio floors so that the members and staff have the space needed for social distancing.
Every surface, every touch point in the facility is cleaned, disinfected every 2 hours. We go through the facility on a scheduled basis and we clean the first floor, second floor, wellness, multi-purpose rooms on a regular schedule so that we can ensure that we have all of them done throughout the day. In a regular shift, they'll touch the same areas at least twice. We've gotten very familiar with every door handle in the facility and everything that people take for granted and kind of overlook.
The Clorox 360 is probably the newest piece of equipment we have. And what that is, that's a one-step disinfectant, and the coverage that the Clorox 360 is able to cover, it does superior coverage. The thing that's kind of different about the Clorox 360 is it's an electrostatic disinfectant. So what that means is that pretty much once the product leaves the nozzle, it atomizes and it's able to hit superior coverage, not necessarily just on top, but also sides, underneath, and it just kind of attracts to surfaces. It's not just going to hang out in the air, it's going to actually attract to surfaces, disinfect, and it gets the job done. So we're excited about it, and it's something that we use every day.
Once you come into the group exercise studio, you get the equipment needed for the class that you're attending, and the class continues, it goes on. At the end of class, we ask that members bring the equipment that they've used back up to the front of the studio, and staff takes it from there. We clean, we disinfect, we put it back away. Included in the social distancing, we do ask that members and staff wear masks prior to and after working out.
After the customer gets done with the equipment, we go behind and we wipe it down. All the touch surfaces are done. We also have scheduled cleaning times for all the pieces of equipment in which they're thoroughly cleaned before and after use, and we also do end-of-day cleaning as well.
The work that we do is very appreciated, especially in a time now. You just want to know that places are taking the extra step to make sure the facility is disinfected, is clean, and is ready for, like I said, new people to come on, members to just continuing to come on. We're just going to keep up with it that way, that everyone is ready to just come in here and have a great time.
Green Ridge to us is more than just a workplace. At times it's a home, and we like to protect ourselves and their customers, which some we consider family. They're very close to us.
I love my job and I love Green Ridge. I love helping people.
When you come into the center, it's definitely going to be somewhere clean and safe for everyone.